Oh, hey, Professor Ginger. Hey, what's up? What am I doing? Well, I'm setting up for our sight word good video, but I have a little problem. I'm all out of good ideas to use for our video. Can you... Oh, the doorbell. I wonder who it is. Oh, hey, it's a package. No way, it looks like one of those automatic tennis ball launching toys. Wow, I wonder who it's from. Oh, wait, there's a note. To Ginger, love Axel. Oh, that was sweet of Axel. Oh my gosh, Ginger, what do you think? Do you want to open it and start playing with it? Come on, come find some scissors. Let's open this package. All right, Ginger, it's all set up. Let's see how it works. Oh, you're right. There is a note there from Axel. Let's see what it says. Oh, it says, to Ginger, love Axel. Hey, just like on the front of the package. Oh, read the back? Oh, there is a note on the back. It says, I have a good idea for your sight word, good video. Ginger can put tennis balls in the tennis ball machine and try to catch as many as she can. If she catches the ball, I will show the word good. If she misses the ball, I will show the words not good. I think Ginger can catch at least 5 tennis balls. Oh, that's a great note. All right, Ginger, do you think you can catch at least 5 tennis balls? Of course. All right, hey, go find the instructions so we can start. All right, Ginger. The instructions say to put the tennis ball in the hole at the top of the machine and then stand back and wait for the ball to come out. All right, here's the tennis ball. Let's try it out. All right, Ginger, let's see if you can catch this one. Nice job! All right, Ginger, let's see if you can catch this one. Nice catch! That's 2! Good job. Let's see if you can catch it this time. Oh, good try, Ginger. All right, let's see what happens. Great catch! That's 3! Make sure you drop it all the way in. All right, here it comes. Hey, nice catch, Ginger, that's 4! Put it in. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, nice try, Ginger. That was close. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Great catch, Ginger! That's 5! Way to go! Number 6. Come on, Ginger, we better stop. It's starting to get dark. Thanks, Professor Ginger. Thanks, Axel, for helping make our sight word good video. Axel, that was an amazing gift you got for Ginger. Thanks for the good idea for our sight word video. And Ginger, you made a lot of good catches today. Way to go. Good. G-O-O-D spells good. Good catch, Ginger.